everybody, it's me, Kylie. I am so excited that you're here because today we're practicing our drawing skills. That's right, with some basic shapes and simple lines, we are going to make a super cool drawing today of a lizard. Let's make it. We're gonna start off with our head today, so we're going to draw a kind of rounded triangle. Check it out. I just rounded these lines a little bit. Next, we're gonna add in the body of our lizard. I'm gonna draw this line straight out, and then I'm going to make the back, and that line's gonna kind of slope down. Check it out. Awesome! Now for the tail, a long triangle. Now, 4 triangles for the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add some little lizard toes. Now we're gonna make the face. I'm gonna draw a straight line out and curve it up a little bit because this is a happy lizard. Now a circle for the eye and another circle inside for the pupil. Let's add some triangles to decorate this guy. Maybe this lizard should have a long curly tongue. What do you think? Okay, let's make a curlicue. Oh yeah. I love it! Let's color it in. There it is, a lizard. If you had a pet lizard, what would you name it? Oh, that is such a cool name. I think I would name a pet lizard Leafster, especially if it looked like this one because it kind of looks like a leaf. And Leafster is just like a cool little extra. Speaking of, I'm gonna add a hat really quick. If you want to draw more things with me, make more things with me, you know I want to make more things with you. We make all sorts of stuff here on Kylee Makes It. So subscribe to this channel, like this video. Kylee. That's me. And this is Leafster. See you next time.